Even if it does not seem like it, the wheel is a challenging component. It should be comfortable, facilitate short braking distances, offer driving stability, and be free from vibrations and imbalances. Put simply, maximum safety with a high running performance.
The production of these complete wheels is for a variety of reasons a logistical challenge. For a medium-sized vehicle, the customer can choose from 50 to 100 different wheel tire combinations, steel or aluminium rims, different sizes, winter or summer tires. We would like to show you how we solve these challenges with an example of our modern tire production.
Tires and rims are transported to the mounting station. Then, in parallel in 2 stations, the soaping of the tires and rims occurs.
In order to have the individual stages of the tire mounting and the entire process under control at all times, we utilize Loxeo as our IIoT solution. With its applications, Loxeo gives us extensive possibilities for monitoring and optimizing our plants. The data from many sensors is collected here in order to analyze the individual machine components. During assembly of the wheels, we check whether, for example, the torque is within tolerance during the assembly process.
Now the wheel is filled with air. It takes just a fraction of a second to pump the correct quantity of air into the mounted complete wheel through a large filling ring. After the tire fit is optimized and the consistency of the tire shape is checked, the last step for the perfect completed wheel is the balancing. The unbalance is determined at the measuring station and then corrected in the correcting station by attaching correction weights, either manually or automatically.
On our Loxeo dashboard we can see at a glance, for example, the evaluation and statistics of the unbalanced distribution for better process control.
Finally, whether the wheel meets the strict quality requirements is checked in the control station. The finished complete wheels are stacked in sets and stored in the buffer warehouse. Using a handling system, the wheel sets are now placed together for a vehicle according to the call order sequence and collected at the dispatch point. A truck delivers them to the vehicle assembly just in sequence.
We produce a new complete wheel which fulfills the highest standards every 8.5 seconds. The spectrum ranges from 16 to 21 inches, including spare wheels. With these quantities, the plant status and performance analysis offered by the Loxeo applications play an important role for us. They reveal the areas in our production where we have to look more closely in order to operate with maximum efficiency and in order to deliver the highest quality.
Und höchste Qualität liefern zu können.